Hi guys, in today's video I will be doing a kitchen cleaning routine. This whole process is going to take less than 20 minutes. Before I start cleaning, sometimes I like to burn a scented candle because it has a nice scent and makes this everyday cleaning process less boring. Hi guys, my name is Parul. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. So this is what my kitchen looks like, and the goal is to get it sparkly clean in less than 20 minutes. Alexa, start timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes, starting now.
Okay, so as you can see, I first unload my dishwasher. I run my dishwasher every night, and I mostly like to use stainless steel cookware, and dishwasher saves stuff to minimize hand washing. I try to unload my dishwasher early in the morning, usually after I'm done making breakfast for my kids, husband and myself. This way, once I empty it, it makes space for dirty dishes after my breakfast cooking. The kitchen is usually considered the heart of our homes, and I try to clean mine immediately after I'm done cooking. To make this boring process enjoyable, I like to listen to some music, or sometimes I would just listen to some podcast. By the way, I can't fast forward this video because I want to show you that this entire cleaning can be done in under 20 minutes. So this video will run at its own pace. I always try to first pick all the stuff that goes in a particular cabinet or drawer as much as possible to minimize my back and forth trips. As you can see, I have kept my frequently used dishes and cookware in cabinets and drawers that are very close to my dishwasher, so it saves time and it's easier for me to quickly empty it. And if you are interested in seeing my entire kitchen layout, you can check this video in the cards here, in which I shared some organization and decoration tips for your kitchen. I will keep changing the angle of my video because I did not zoom out, and you'll have to see from different angles. So this is where I keep my Tupperware and storage containers. I will be making another video on Rotimatic very soon, so please stay tuned for that. This is one of my favorite kitchen appliances. It saves me so much time, and I highly recommend it, and especially for people who eat rotis regularly, this will save you a lot of time. So I'm almost done emptying my dishwasher, and my utensil and cutlery holder is the last thing I empty. I take it out and put it on the counter, and this way I can just quickly empty my spoons, utensils, etc. And I don't have to bend multiple times to pick each spoon at a time. And make sure to check out my dishwasher cleaning tips video. I have put it in the description below and also in the cards here. I've shared some amazing cleaning tips and hacks that you may not be aware of. So please check that video out. As I said, I cannot fast forward this video, so this might be a little long video than my usual ones, but you'll see that everything can be done in less than 20 minutes time. By the way, this is a food chopper that I find really useful. If you guys like, I can put the link in the description for all these products that I use regularly that make my life simple. Our ovens can also be used as a storage place, so I like to keep some of my cast iron stuff and bakeware in it. Now I'm going to clear all the stuff from my countertop. I will quickly glance and then categorize items into where they need to go. So everything that needs to go in the refrigerator, I'll pick those first and put them away. Then all the stuff that needs to go in a particular drawer or shelf, I'll pick all of those items and start putting them away. This hack is very useful when you're trying to speed clean. And now I'm going to load my dishwasher with these dirty dishes that are from our breakfast cooking. I always like to soak them with water to loosen the stuck up food or grease, because water makes everything come out very easily. So I just quickly put the dishes in the dishwasher, and this is pretty much all of our breakfast before I start my usual day's work. This is my routine, that I empty my dishwasher from previous night, and whatever dishes get used for our breakfast, I have to put all of them in the dishwasher. This way my sink stays clean until the next meal. I also wash my pots and pans that need to be hand washed. For example, my non-stick cookware, so that they get clean immediately. And this I do every single day. I have a family of 4 people, and with all the cooking and eating at home, I have to run my dishwasher every night. So that's how I do it. I like to load my dishes 2 to 3 times a day. So after my morning cooking, and then if I'm working from home all day, then it is going to be once again in the afternoon, and then later at night after dinner. If I don't have time to load my dishes in the afternoon, I do always soak them with water and leave them in my sink, so this way they can be cleaned later easily. I'm also trying to develop this habit in my kids, and I ask them to put their dishes directly in the sink after they're done eating, and soak it with water. Sometimes they do it and sometimes they forget, but I like to remind them. It takes time for anybody to develop new habits, so as long as you as a mother remind your kids politely, it's a good way for them to learn their responsibilities. I feel like when we say that you're contributing to the family instead of saying that you have to do this chore, it'll encourage them to do their part, and it'll make a big difference when everyone's approach towards tackling a task is aligned. And I like to reward my kids by giving them some allowance based on their contribution towards the family. So this way they are encouraged to do some work because they are earning money for it, and I get the necessary help. So it's a win-win situation for both, because they get to spend the money on whatever they like because they have earned it. This is the lunch pail my husband takes, and there are a couple of Tupperware boxes in it, so I'm putting those in the dishwasher as well. And I'm almost done with the dishes part, and I will tackle the next area now. So whatever stuff is still left on my kitchen counter, I will put it away. I think homemaking is very important part of my life. Even if I'm working full time, I like to take pride in homemaking because this is something I'm doing for my family. The type of food we eat greatly impacts how our body and mind function. A lot of people, especially those who come from South Asian countries like India and are living in places like US, Europe, Canada, or Australia, who were raised in a South Asian household, when they saw their moms cook a healthy, delicious meal every day, even with an outside job, find it easier to follow that tradition. I feel that was a blessing, and those values are instilled in me. In this age, I notice we all are super obsessed with our office job that sometimes we neglect our own health and our nutrition. We mostly eat outside and don't eat enough fruits and vegetables because it's so much easier nowadays to just order junk food. It is not good for our body if we do it very frequently. I'm totally in favor of eating out once or twice a week because we all get tired and want a change and a break from our cooking. So going to a restaurant or ordering food feels nice, but as much as possible we should try to eat a healthy homemade meal because there's no point of earning unlimited amount of money if you neglect your own health and your eating habits. So please make that as your priority. Whether you are working in an organization or you are a full-time homemaker, you should know that the work that you're doing for your family is a blessing to them. You can still see some Christmas decoration in my kitchen because I recorded this video in early January, but I did not get time to post it. But today I'm finally posting it. As you can see that I'm almost done cleaning everything. Wiping the countertop is important because it gives this nice sparkly clean look. So make sure you do that after you're done cooking. My cotton rags, I put them directly in the washer after I am done wiping my surface area, and then they get washed with my laundry for that day. After I clean my counters, I do a quick vacuum of my floor, and this is my favorite vacuum from Dyson because it's cordless and you can quickly charge it, and usually it runs for about 20 minutes after it's completely charged. It also has several attachments, so it's good to clean different surfaces including your drawers, and if you have any type of spill here and there, you can quickly use it. So you can see me dancing here because I'm listening to some music with my AirPod, and depending on my mood I play relaxing music or more upbeat music. Music can help when we are doing these mundane tasks. I also started keeping these washable floor mats next to my sink because this way my kitchen floors stay cleaner longer, because all the water that used to spill on the floor while I was washing dishes, um, I used to leave marks on my kitchen floor, but now it gets absorbed by these mats and I don't have to mop my kitchen floors that often. So today I am mopping my kitchen floor and most of the time I like to use these Swiffer disposable mops, but today I am just using my regular mop. Once I'm done with it, I like to dry it under the sun so that way it gets thoroughly disinfected under the sunlight. So this is how my kitchen looks once it's all nice and clean, and if I have time, I'd like to reward myself with a nice treat or a cup of tea because I'm happy with the final result. So what do you guys think? Please write in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, and please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed today's video.